In this lesson, we'll review a math problem from the grid end section. We're on page 952, question 15 out of 18. We've discussed how many of the math problems are reasoning based, where the content is pretty rudimentary, but there's lots of alternative strategies, picking values and looking for shortcuts. But here's an example of a purely academic question. And so these types of problems you really should take advantage of and solve them literally in about 10 seconds. So we're told that we have two shapes here and that EBCD is a square. So we know obviously these are all 90s. And then we have an adjacent triangle that shares a side of the square. So here's a 90, here's a 60. Obviously this is a 30, 60, 90. And we are given that the value of AE is 8. This is one of the two special triangles. 45, 45, 90 is one, and this is a 30, 60, 90. You should never need to refer to the table at the beginning of the section. You should know right away the relationship of the three sides. The small side is x, opposite the 30. So in this case, 8 is the x. The 90, we don't need this for this problem because the question is asking for the area of the square. But the 90 in this case would be 2x, which is 16. But we need to find one side of the length of the square because obviously all the sides are the same, and the relationship is x root 3. And so right away you should be able to figure out that this side is 8 root 3. Obviously all the sides are 8 root 3, and we want the area, base times height. And so when we're squaring 8 root 3, it's 8 times 8, that's 64, times root 3 squared is just 3. It's the number inside the root. And the answer is 192. I took a lot more time explaining this than it really should take you to solve it. You should recognize instantly, know the special relationships. The other one, by the way, I'll just give you again. This is an easier one. 45, 45, 90, x, x, x root 2. But the answer here is 192. And that's our lesson. See you next time. Thanks for watching.